You're like, yes, we are Hindu supporters, but at the same time, you are marginalizing everyone who doesn't follow that particular idea of Hinduism that the BJP is propagating.
Prime Ministers Modi's trips abroad, visiting diaspora events, Howdy Modi, all of these things.
Are you suggesting
But-
Prime Minister shouldn't go on foreign
No. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is, so much money has been sent. The metric is how successful has it actually been.
कुणाल कामरा अपने रिस्क पर आए. What do you have to say on this?
What is with the increasing majoritism and communalism that we see in society today? You know, like renaming of Allahabad to Prayagraj, renaming of gardens, renaming of even modifications of the NCRT textbook.
During elections, it rarely feels like we're choosing someone who inspires us. We most often feel like we're choosing the least disappointing option. So there's a lot of energy spent on pointing fingers, offering short-term guarantees, or playing to identity, but less focus on long-term vision, on jobs, education, sustainability, etc.
There are many ministers who have been ministers of states as well. Jayant Sinha garlanded the people who attacked the Muslims who were carrying meat, which isn't even proven to be cow meat. And the question I want to ask you is that I understand this kind of violence is sort of normalized in India, but this kind of violence isn't celebrated by ministers of states who should set out the highest example.
Despite the Prime Minister not visiting Manipur, the discussion on Manipur was held for 41 minutes in Parliament after a more than 10-hour discussion on the Waqf bill. And on the Manipur discussion, 9 minutes of that 41 minutes were taken by the Home Minister. So, how is Parliament still the temple of democracy in the 21st century?
We see narratives of student leaders being arrested under UAPA, which is a severe law called Anti-India Urban Naxals conveniently. BBC made a document critical of the Prime Minister. They got raided. Umar Khalid was arrested under UAPA for inciting communal violence. Ironically, considering that the PM said that the Congress will give our Sindhu to those who have more children 2 weeks before the election in a similar communal remark.